The winner of The Voice is... Sofronio Vasquez!
Gift. Yeah.
This moment.
Perfect duet. Perfection? No! These two are perfectionate. Yo! Blah, 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 blah. Oh my lord! Yes! 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 Yes, my bro. Yes, you did it. You've done it. Vasquez. Sofronio. You've done it. Firstly, I want to say give God thanks for life. And secondly, I want to say congratulations, Mr. Vasquez, for winning The Voice. I know you were capable. I know you were that talented, for people could look into your talent to disclose what you can do best, to give you the victory to others, to showcase how talented you really are. But a lot of people didn't take you serious until you won. And I want to say, bro, wishes of long-lasting endeavors to your success, to be successful in your musical career. And you know, this is a thing where you have to put a foot forward to. Never stop here. Always keep up the good journey, because we all know that music, it's a very huge thing when you have people to support you. And I'm very proud of you, bro. Very proud. I want to say congratulations again, bro. Okay, people, so let's react to Sofronio Vasquez and Michael Bublé performs the miracle Who's Loving You. So, as you can see, I'm from Jamaica and I'm here to support him. So, let's dive in. Yo! Okay, so I guess this is Mr. Michael Bublé. No, I never heard Michael Bublé before, but from my first experience, I can tell that he's very good. The voice alone can tell that he's very good.
I had you, treated you bad.
Golden voice. Golden voice. Very sparkly sounding voice. Something that we could say, hey, incredible. Damn, bro.
So wrong, my dear, but since you went away, baby, don't you know I sit around with my head hanging down, and I wonder who's love.
Yo, they are too good. These guys are too good. Something that we never see every flipping day.
Loving you. I should have never.
Smooth as butter, bro. Oh my, this is so good. What an experience we are having. What a beautiful day. to experience something that we never yet experienced. Because these guys are real experienced at what they do. Blah, blah.
Never ever made you cry, but girl, since you've been gone, don't you know I sit around with my head.
Sofronio? Michael? Oh! No, this is good. This is really good. This is something so good. Ah! Yo, what magnificence. Oh, God, bro. God, oh, God. These guys are killing it.
Hanging down, and I wonder who's loving you. 'Cause life
Yo, the music, it's so sweet. It's so refined. It's giving such great message. It's giving me the chills, bro. The chills.
yeah, it's so lonely, baby. I don't think that I can make it all my life, I've been lost in the place.
They are killing it. They are creating damages. They are making such an impactful force. An entrance that we'll never ever forget. An entrance that the fans will never ever forget. An entrance that the voice will never ever forget. And also, let's not forget the judges, that the entrance that these guys are making, they'll never forget this. Don't get me wrong. There'll be others who'll come and make dominance. But this dominance that Michael made, that Sofronio made, that the others made, congrats to the others who have done well. You guys have done well, but I'm sorry, but someone has to win. And I did know that Sofronio will take the victory. And he did. He did take the victory. Congrats again, Sofronio. Congrats again, Michael. You guys have done well. Way too well.
Come on, baby. Come on and take it. All I can do since you've been gone is cry.
Oh my God. Ba, 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 ba. Hey, yo, I'm feeling great. Way too great.
Don't you know I sit around?
Perfect duet. Perfection? No. These two are perfectionate. Eee. Oh my God, I wish I could sing, bro. I would just sing along with them. But I'm happy to be a fan. Not actually a fan, but an AC, a air conditioner, an acceptance capability. Just kidding. I'm a fan though.
With my head hanging down, and I wonder who's loving you.
Yo, this song is golden, bro. And these guys make it looking even more polished. Because we all know gold doesn't rot. Once it's official, it doesn't rot. It doesn't matter how long it stayed. It doesn't matter where it is. It doesn't rot because it's official. Right? And this is what we called a polished performance. This performance, it's golden. It will never be forgotten. It will never be rot or deteriorated. It will not. Because the way all these guys come out, put out the work so others could able to imitate or mimic their performance, they are setting trends. And the fans love it. I do love it.
Don't you know I sit around with my head hanging down, and I wonder.
Yo! Ra, ra, ra! Nice again! Nice. I love it, bro. I love it.
And I wonder who's loving you. Yeah.
This is music. This is what we called music. This is what we need in today's society. A good set of music, a good played of music. Everything we need that is good today, because a lot of negativity is being spewed around this world, bro. So much people are being negative, and their minds are being poisoned by negativity. Good music is what we need to set ourselves free from all our negative, bro. So, astonishing. Whoa, you guys have done well. Michael and Vasquez, you guys have done well. That was a well done performance. And again, Mr. Sofronio, congrats on your winning again, bro. You deserve it. And you're going to make big moves. You're going to make your people proud. You're going to make your fans proud. And I'm here to support you, not just for today, but whenever time you have done something, I'm here to put my 2 cents to it, to add my reaction to it, to add my commentary on it, so you could feel proud of how people accept your music. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I did enjoy that performance. And if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to also leave a like on the video, smash a subscribe button, share this to anyone you like to share this to, letting them know that a Jamaican reactor really appreciates the music from the Philippines or an Asian guy. So, I'll see you guys next time around. Peace.